Alright. Okay. Let me see. So you have fuel. You have fuel level. I do hear something. I do hear a little hum. A little. Just barely. I expect it to be louder. I don't know why that happens. Don't know why that happens. Can I take this off? You're just full of noises, man. Okay. Nothing. Hear every other noise except for the fuel pump. Alright, let me go see if we have fuel. Okay, I heard something. How much is left? Is it going slow? Oh yeah, it's a small funnel. Can't use a bigger one? No. After putting the fuel in and trying to start the car, I got nothing. I did try to check the codes with the stomp test because this is OBD1, so I couldn't just plug it up, but that didn't work at all. So I know that there might be something electrical going on. I did hook up the fuel pump directly with the power supply and provided it with 12 volts to bypass the relays, but I also got nothing. I do show how to check the relays later on in the video though. Oh my gosh, it's all the way back there. Yeah, no. I'm gonna take off the fuel line and see if fuel comes out of it before I even try and access the pump. So, the inlet, zoom in, it should be right, hold on. Right here, this should be the inlet. So, And I should see a very wet place. I'll turn this on. I'll check the video as well. All right. Looks very dry, so there's no fuel getting to it. See, fuel pump, so 18. I looked it up, I looked where it's at. 18 is a 15 amp. So you see right here, boom. I swapped it out, but the relay for it right here looks cooked. So I mean, let me compare it to this one though. I mean, it could be, all of them look cooked, to be honest, but should I just swap it out? I mean, getting down there. Hold on here. Oh no, it's the oil. It's dirty. Is it dirty? Yeah, but it could be what I sprayed in there.
No, it didn't sound any different, did it?
I think there might be an immobilizer.
What's
There's something, when you crash, it immobilizes.
On this old?
I mean,
The airbags didn't go off.
okay. So the brake thing didn't work. It's concerning. I got a second opinion about the pump, and nobody heard it. So, let's clean this out back here. Does this not? It just should go forward. Okay, well, just good enough, I guess. So, oh, okay. Torn up. Kidneys. Lungs. Brake duct. And corner lights. Put those in the trunk for now. My lights. Let's see. Let's check them out. Let's check them out. Ooh. Oh, actually, he's pretty good. Hold on, let me put these back. There's some money there. Brand new when you get inside, I guess. It's a little armrest thing. It's funny. Something that works in here. Okay. Another corner load. What are the odds? Okay, got some gum.
Maybe the spark plug bad. Have you checked one?
You said what about the what?
So have you checked the spark plug?
He didn't. Oh, you might have to get spark.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, this is brand spanking new. Okay, so I think it's the fuel pump, and it's pretty easy to check. It looks pretty new. I mean, this paint looks amazing compared to the paint outside. These bolts look nice and gold. So I got a little power pack. I'm just gonna supply fuel directly to it, because if I hear it, I have to round this out. If it is it, I'll show you how to take out the seats and everything else. But I'm thinking it should be it. Okay, I think it definitely might be it. Okay, oh, let me get a seat. Let's pull it back through the ground and conda. Alright, I just get so dirty. Oh my gosh. What the heck? So this loose? Okay, there's two connectors fused into one. Okay, so white on top. Oh, black on the bottom. So I looked, I saw black connects to the power. So let's see here. Sorry for the rain. Give this 12 volts. Okay, I heard it. It works.